Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Trax LS, stock reference number 4338. This shape runs from the 8th month 2013 and is the current shape. It has a 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the right hand headlight, chrome radiator grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle's got 16-inch standard alloy mags. Left front has a flat tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light. Tailgate spoiler, rear garnish and camera. Unfortunately, nothing on the right hand side has survived, apart from the power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter. Heating controls, it's got a factory touchscreen MyLink media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, vehicle's done 59,000 kilometres, and a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.